play. Cause I don't play.
Hey! Hey,
my cash app is Asapshaunny.
Cash app is Shaunny.
Both of you guys are 100.
Jumped into what the fuck is that? Took a shot at any out the bag. Girl, you know it's real, I ain't tryna brag. I just wanna take it to the bag while you let a nigga.
What's up, you guys? You already know who it is. It's your girl Asapshaunny, and I'm back here once again with another video. Now today we're gonna be doing a monkey video. We're just gonna be asking people questions like rate or what questions we should
rate me from 1 to 10. Who's better, LeBron or Steph Curry?
No, we just gonna be asking questions on monkey like that. Do you want to tell who you are?
Okay, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Slay by Shari.
Before we get into this video, I need you to go ahead and press that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and then click that notification bell to see any videos I will be posting in the future. And we gonna get right into it. Alright?
You turn the screen recorder on? Hopefully it works. Cause mine, I did it, and then literally it didn't work.
Okay. Alright.
You gotta press accept, I think.
What's up? What's up?
Hello?
Nothing.
You lame.
Awkward.
She is not my name. Chip that shit.
Alright, Lil James. The answer.
Ooh, what if this is Lil James from Star?
What if it's Lil James from
Janine?
Alright, Ben. What's up, Ben?
What's good?
How old are you?
19.
Alright, at time we got some questions.
Girl,
oh,
you
bro,
just need to ask the question and get it over with. Don't tell her you like.
Sure. Brendo. Okay. This is
Oh, they got that to where you can rate me.
Alright, let's go.
She is not my name.
It's only boys though.
Oh, exactly.
Hey.
What's up?
Hey.
Nope. Okay, we gonna have to do it. Let's do it off yours.
No.
Come on, bro. Let's do it off yours.
No, why mine?
Because yours is probably
no. It's all the same.
Yo.
Rate us from 1 to 10.
10.
10 for me and her.
Hey. Oh, bro, I didn't even get that, bro.
See, that's what I'm saying. You need to get your life together.
Hey, yo, what's up?
What's good?
Alright, so we're doing a YouTube video. And we just want y'all to rate us 1 to 10.
You said rate her 1 to 10? Oh, that time.
Both.
You want us to rate who?
Both
of us.
I can't see her face.
Who, her?
No, yours. I can't see her face. Okay. The one like, she a 10. Basically, she a straight up 10. She's beautiful. You beautiful too, so I give you an 8.
Alright, hey.
You got some nice dimples, so.
Hey, thank.
Oh, me or her?
No, me. Bro, mine is deeper than hers.
Me. This whole time.
Yo, what's good? Alright, add time real quick.
What's up, girl?
Add time real quick. Add time. Alright, so we got a question.
What's up? What you got? Go ahead.
Okay, rate both of us 1 through 10.
Both of you guys are 100.
Gang.
Yeah.
Alright, so what up? Hey, Curry or LeBron?
Curry or who?
LeBron.
LeBron, man.
No,
you tripping, bro. Curry.
No, he had to go to Lakers to catch a ring. We didn't catch your rings this whole entire time.
LeBron's a bitch for leaving the Cavs and going to Lakers. That's
Yeah.
But hey, still over Curry.
No.
Yo, no.
Curry is the best NBA player
Hey,
ever.
disagree. On to the next one. Where are you guys from? Actually, let me start asking questions.
We're from Chicago.
Oh, damn. Y'all be killing niggas out there. You killing anybody yet? You got anybody?
Nah, not yet. Not yet.
It's lit. Hey, man, you guys are impatient. Hey, add time.
Don't add time.
Alright, Joe.
No.
I don't think Joe needs to.
She is not my main chick.
Very spacely. Hey.
Oh my god.
Hey, add time. Alright, so we got a question for you.
I got it, you got it.
Oh, bro,
You wasting your. Why you adding time? Just
because I need to ask a question. I need to be long.
You
I
got
need to be
10
long,
seconds.
bro. I need to be long.
You gotta run out of seconds.
Oh my god. It's ASAP. Alright. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, what happened? Yo, what happened? God, she was scared. G24. Hey, what's up?
Rate us from 1 to 10.
Yeah, rate us from 1 to 10.
What you said?
Rate us from 1 to 10.
You right there, you the pro?
Bro, alright.
You want me to rate you?
Yeah.
You straight?
No.
Alright. I don't know that. How am I supposed to rate you if you're not straight?
Alright, just rate her first then. Rate her first.
I'm supposed to. That's like me rating a dude though, right?
What?
So like you got me fucked up down there.
Rate her first.
She is 10.
Alright, now I got another question. Curry or LeBron?
Huh?
Curry or LeBron?
Curry or LeBron?
Yeah.
I'm fucking with Curry right now. Respect.
Alright, gang. You are dog. You are dog.
Respect it.
I much.
The Kiyah NBA rating.
Yeah. Yo,
What's poppin'?
what's up?
Cracking.
Alright, so we got a question.
I got an answer.
Rate us both 1 to 10. Oh crap. Rate us both from 1 to 10.
10 each.
10 each. And I got another question. LeBron or Curry?
I'm a Lakers fan.
Oh, so you LeBron fan?
I hate LeBron. I'm a Kobe fan.
You know he on Lakers now though, right?
Yeah, I know that.
You think he's gonna make the team better?
Fuck no, we already nice.
Alright.
No better.
Alright. Question for us?
Yeah, where y'all from?
Chicago.
Yeah.
I'm from New Jersey.
Oh,
Hey.
that's late.
The cop. So
Hey, we got family out there.
I'm from New Jersey where it's okay for girls to suck dick though.
What?
Don't play. Cause I don't play.
Hey. Hey.
My Cash App is Ashari.
Cash App is Shaunny.
My Cash App is Ashari.
Hey, what's up?
Yo.
Rate us from 1 to 10. Start with me first.
I'm good.
What's the point of being on this app? You lame, get out, bye.
Alright, so good. Hey.
The one in the brown shirt is so cute.
fake.
Add time. Alright, so we got some questions for you. We want you to rate us both from 1 to 10.
Okay. The one that asks the question, I give you an 8.5. And then the one with the brush, she gets a 10.
Hey.
Okay, girl. Okay.
Alright. Hey. Oh, what else we should have? How old are you? How old are you?
12.
12.
You live in Texas?
Huh?
You live in Texas?
What part?
Fort Worth.
Well, hey, you're not that far from us.
In Dallas.
Oh.
That's like, make sure you go subscribe to my YouTube channel, Slay by Sherry.
No.
If you want to see more.
Hey, if you want to see you, if you want to see...
What is it again?
Slay.
Add time.
Slay by Sherry.
Slay.
But if you want to see...
No, but
If you want to see you, add me, Asapshaunny. It's ASAP and then SHAUNNY. Heck no, bro.
subscribe to me.
Subscribe.
I'm literally.
Join the ASAP movement. You know, we're gonna get lit around here. We're gonna be up there. Alright, gang. Bro, that's my video.
But you think I do not disturb?
They Cho. He from Cali. The Cho.
Hey, rate us from 1 to 10.
The Cho.
Who is your friend? Who is that?
Rate us from 1 to 10.
The Cho. Oh, too late.
If you ain't answering the question
Fast enough, we ain't gonna add no time.
And we ain't got time to add time because we don't know you. We don't know how to.
Chase. Oh.
Hey, rate us from 1 to 10.
You're a 10 on the right.
Okay,
And
girl.
you're like a 9.
Oh. Alright, thanks.
Wait, what she say you was?
I'm 9.
Oh, I was like, I didn't even hear what she said. I heard.
Or
man.
maybe she said I was a 10.
No, she said.
said
I
on
heard
the right.
man. I heard man.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, this on the left.
No, that's her right. I'm her right.
Yeah,
You thought?
Yeah. Hey, it was good.
Hey, rate us from 1 to 10.
Hey, rate us from 1 to 10. He look high.
Yeah. Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Where y'all from?
We're from Chicago.
Rate us from 1 to 10.
Hey, look. Which one of y'all getting on YouTube right now? I need one of y'all to get on YouTube right now.
We're on YouTube. We're recording you right now.
Man, like, I'm talking about, I need y'all to search something right now. Since y'all recording me, I need y'all to search something.
Alright.
Search what?
Alright, we got it up.
Landlord P.
How you spell that?
Landlord all together.
Okay, what about it?
This is a music video.
And once you get to it, click it. And the first one up there, that's me. Check out my music video.
I
Right
bet.
now. Add some more time, right now.
I bet you.
No, we ain't at time. Stop adding time when they say add time.
I was acting. I was gonna add no time.
Nobody wants your. No. Hey, rate us from 1 to 10.
Alright, yeah.
Come rate us from 1 to 10.
What's up?
Rate us from 1 to 10. Ah, come on, bro.
Oh, add time. Yeah, let me see you on the left. Like, you hiding behind my camera.
The yellow or the white?
Damn, you a 15.
15.
Oh, that's good. Let me see you.
Who, me? Bro.
Yeah. You got a very cute smile. 9.5.
Alright.
You want me to tell you what to do?
I'm at
Tell you
15.
What?
You need a dimple to match over there. It'd be real cute.
I do right. I got him right.
Bro, my dimple. Who dimple's deeper? Mine's or hers? Mine's is deeper.
She broke the scale. Look at them dimples. She pretty good.
Bro.
That's why I broke the scale. That's why I broke.
Alright, I got another question. Curry or LeBron?
What is that?
Curry or LeBron?
Fuck Curry. Bron.
Bro, we can't listen to your word. We can't listen.
I'm in all one. Curry.
Nah, he lied. He tried to stay on with us. Yo.
Hey.
What's going on?
Rate us from 1 to 10.
Y'all tense. Y'all both tense.
Hey.
Thanks.
Oh, hey. It's good. I got a question. Curry or LeBron? Curry or LeBron? Oh my god. Yeah, shit. Weird. What's up?
What's going on, dude?
What's up?
What's up, dude? You doing a YouTube video, dude?
Yeah, I got a question. Rate both of us 1 through 10. Yeah, come on, bro.
My name.
We don't have time, bro. Just answer the damn question. Quavo. What? Hey, what's good? What's good? Hey, we got a question. Rate both of us 1 through 10.
Rate us from 1 through 10.
Alright, guys, there you got it, bro. We did the little rate. A lot of them was special, you know. There was only one real one. It was that one female that had both of us on YouTube. So shout out to her. Drop down in the comment section any prank ideas, any video requests y'all want me to do, and I will do it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I need you to go ahead and press the subscribe button, join the Team ASAP family. You know, join the movement. We might have a part 2. Might have a part 2. People gotta cooperate. If you won't be on Monkey, you better talk. You know, you gotta socialize. Go follow me on all my social media accounts. Instagram is Asapshaunny. My Twitter is Asapshaunny, and also my Snapchat is Asapshaunny. I do respond back to every single one of you guys. Alright, that's it.
And my YouTube channel is Slave by Shari. Be right here. And make sure you follow all my social medias. My Instagram is Ashari, and it's all in my YouTube bio. So y'all follow me on there. Okay.
Alright, you Team ASAP, you already know who it is.
18 the best team. Okay.
Gang, gang.